Hi, my name is Zen, and today I will teach you about the palm pit viper. It is a snake that lives in trees in Costa Rica. They are green, but they can also be red, yellow, or brown. It has long hinged fangs that inject venom. Do you want to hear more? It can hang upside down. It can wrap around a tree. It's called a pit viper because it has small holes on the side of its head. It is 37 to 69 centimeters long. The females are usually longer than males. It can see everything in orange. The palm pit viper sits and waits and attacks its prey. It eats small mammals, birds, lizards, frogs. These snakes can be found in rainforests and cloud forests in Central America. They spend their lives in trees, palms, and vines. The palm pit viper does not lay eggs. The eggs hatch inside the mother's body, and the babies are born alive. The babies are independent from birth. The parents don't care for the babies. They live 10 to 16 years. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned about the green palm pit viper. See you in the next adventure in the forest.
Hello, I'm Logan, and today I'm going to teach you about the ocelot. The ocelot lives in Central America all the way to South Argentina. The ocelot is a cat that lives deep in the jungle. They're a little smaller than a jaguar. The ocelot weighs 9 kilos and it pounces on its prey. It likes to eat possum, rats, mice, armadillos, deer, monkeys, tortoise, birds, reptiles. The ocelot lives in all of Costa Rica. What does its shelter look like? Does anyone know? No? Well, I do. It is dense vegetation. The ocelot kitten comes out of a sack. Now you guys are experts on ocelots. See you in the next video.
Hello, we are Nika and Sofia. We're gonna teach you about a predator.
It has sharp claws and teeth.
It can kill you in one leap.
Do you want to know what it is?
It's a jaguar.
Do you want to learn what it eats?
It is a carnivore that it eats meat. Monkeys, kinkajous, fish, deer, lizards, alligators, and ants.
And it's a predator.
How does it get its food? It goes hunting at the night and it jumps high, kills his prey in one leap.
And the sharp teeth and sharp claws help them a lot.
Jaguars are 5 feet long. They are 200 to 250 pounds. It has
spots cut to hide Amazon trees. They are mostly nocturnal.
Where we find jaguars. You can find jaguars in tropical forests or jungles. They don't build shelters. They live in trees. They can also be found in protected reserves.
Have you ever seen a baby jaguar? They are so cute.
Jaguars can have 1 to 4 kittens. The kittens begin to hunt at 6 months. They live with his mom to 2 to 4 years. The longest life of a jaguar is 12 to 15 years. They are one of my favorite animals. We are
Sophia
and Nico. See ya in the next video. Roar!
Hello, my name is Mariangel. I'm going to tell you about a creature. It is blue, it flies, and it eats nectar. It is a blue morpho. Do you want to know where a blue morpho lives? In the rainforest and all over Costa Rica. Do you want to know of blue morpho babies? Did you know that a butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant? These eggs hatch in young ones called larvae or caterpillars. They come out of the eggs and caterpillars form into a butterfly. Do you want to know about blue morphos? Blue morphos characteristics. Did you know that the blue morphos weigh less than 1 gram? Their wingspans of 5 to 8 inches. They are color blue and black. Did you know that a blue morpho eats tree sap and rotting fruit and decomposes animals and fungi? A blue morpho is a prey. To get its food, it doesn't eat, it drinks. I think that blue morphos are beautiful. My name is Mariando. See you where the butterfly are.
Hi, we are Teo and Isla.
We are going to tell you about the margai. It can turn its hands and legs 180 degrees around.
The margai is a very uncommon animal to see in Costa Rica.
It's mostly found where they grow coffee from farms.
The margai can hang from its back legs.
It moves its tail side to side to help it balance. It meows and it purrs like a cat.
There's not a lot left in the world.
The margai is nocturnal and it stays up at night to hunt. It eats monkeys and tinamon or birds and eggs, water rat, lizards, agouti, tree frogs.
It's smaller than an ocelot.
Its skull length is 10 centimeters big.
It is a carnivore.
It is white, black, and brown.
The male is larger than female.
They live up to 20 to 18 years old. It can jump 8 feet high in the air.
They have fur.
Its size is 55 centimeters.
They live in trees.
It cares for its baby.
The margai is mostly in trees.
They live in tropical forests. It lives in a hot climate.
We are
Isla and Teo. We hope you enjoy learning about the margai.
Hello, I'm Macon. This animal has long claws. It's nocturnal. It spends its time on trees. It's a sloth. So a sloth lives in a rainforest, cloud forest, and tropical forest. So a sloth's life cycle starts in babies. Babies are small and hold on to their moms for weeks or months. Then they become adolescents. After 2 to 5 years, they become adults. They can live over 30 years in captivity. A sloth eats leaves, cane, and fruit, twigs, and sometimes little tiny birds. Now I'm going to talk about the characteristics. Its size is 50 to 60 centimeters long. Their weight is 3 to 8 kilograms. Its color is brown. A sloth goes alone. It takes 1 minute to walk 6 feet. They sleep 20 hours a day. Thank you for watching. I'm Ethan. See you on the next adventure.
Hi, I'm Mason. Today I'm here to tell you about an animal I'm an expert on. This guy is highly popular. It lives deep in the forest floor, and believe it or not, it's 0.75 inches long. It's a blue jeans tree frog. This guy feeds on ants, nits, and other little insects on the forest floor. The young only can feed on unfertilized eggs of the same species. How cruel! Who eats their own cousins? This little guy weighs 1 ounce. Its color is red and blue with black spots. That's why it's also called the strawberry place than dirt. The male are extremely territorial, and that means other male blue jays don't like other males going to their territory. This guy's habitat is the Caribbean slope in Central Valley, and it sleeps on the forest floor. This guy is an egg for 7 days, then tadpole for 43 to 52 days, then froglet for 10 months, and it's a frog for the rest of its life. It lives for 2 to 4 years. This animal is cute but deadly. I'm Mason. See you on the next adventure.
Hello, we are Catalina and Elisa, and we're gonna tell you about the Irish pompet viper. The habitat of the Irish pompet viper is tropical forest and cloud forest. Its shelter is trees, palms, shrubs, and vines. Let's talk about the life cycle. The babies are 15 to 20 centimeters. They look like adults. The mom could have 2 to 20 and 10 to 20 babies. The babies are cute, but you don't want to get close to them because they are very venomous. They live 10 to 12 years. Let's talk about the diet. The Irish pompet viper is a predator. The Irish pompet viper keeps them folded back in its mouth. Then the snake spots a dinner. He eats small mammals, birds, lizards, bats, rodents, marsupials, birds, small frogs. The baby wiggles its tail, and the frog comes closer, and the snake eats it. The Irish pompet viper is a carnivore. Let's talk about the cool facts. The Irish pompet viper is responsible for a large number of snake bites in Costa Rica. The Irish pompet viper could see in the dark. The Irish pompet viper is a shy creature and often maintains distance from humans. You know that the Irish pompet viper is one of the most venomous in Costa Rica? Now you know that about the Irish pompet viper. Remember, we are Catalina and Elisa. We are the experts of the Irish pompet viper. But remember, don't get close to the snake. Bye! In the water are a lot of animals in the water like dolphins, whales, and fishes, but today I'm teaching all about the snapping turtle. My name is MC and I am an expert on snapping turtle. Do you know how the snapping turtle looks like? You know that the snapping turtle is 20 to 50 centimeters. Is that cool? You want to know the color of the tail? Is dark brown to black. Can you believe it? Turtles are part of the reptile family. The snapping turtle has scales and tail. They have 5 fingers. Can you believe it? It likes to eat small fishes. They also like to eat crabs and crickets, and also need to eat some fruits and vegetables. The life cycle is like this. The breeding turtle has 20 to 30 eggs. Can you believe it? The time to be born is 9 to 18 weeks depending on the weather. The climate is freshwater, wetlands like a swamp, like rivers. The snapping turtle likes water white with white muddy bottoms and a lot of water plants. Now I am telling some cool facts. Most turtles can put their eggs, head, and tail inside the shell. The snapping turtle cannot be with another breeding turtle because
they fight each other. I am Sue, and I talk about the snapping turtle. Thanks for your time.
In the rainforest of Costa Rica, there are a lot of birds, but today I am teaching you about one bird. Today I am teaching you about all the chestnut mandible toucan. My name is Sana Victoria, and I am an excellent expert about the chestnut mandible toucan. Do you want to know what is a chestnut mandible toucan? It's a predator and a prey. Can you believe it? It is a predator because mostly the chestnut mandible toucan eats fruits and snakes and insects. Do you want to know the life cycle of a chestnut mandible toucan? Well, the life cycle of a chestnut mandible toucan starts as an egg, then to a young flag that is a baby, and then to an adult after 46 to 50 days. Do you know where the chestnut mandible toucan lives? It lives in the canopy of lowlands and highland wet forests. If you don't know what are the colors of a chestnut mandible toucan, I'm going to tell you. And they are yellow and black, and a little of red, and a little of green, and a little of white. Do you know that the Spanish name is toucan de swine sun, and the scientific name is Rampastus swinesoni? I think that the chestnut mandible toucan are cute, and I hope that you like them too. My name is Anna. See you in the rainforest.
I'm Javier, and I'm going to teach you about the painted button. It's a beautiful bird, and he is a colorful bird. He is a prey, and he eats seeds for most of the year. He's 30 centimeters. Do you want to learn more? I'm going to tell you about the life cycle. The life cycle starts 3 to 4 eggs. Then there are babies, then adolescents, and then they become adults. As little as 2 days, the female builds a well-constructed nest that is firmly attached to the tree. Now I'm going to teach you about the hábitat. They live in marshes. They find the tree and they build their nest. They marshes in the western part of Costa Rica. It is sometimes hot and cold. They eat seeds for most of the year. They fight to grab the stems and pull the seeds. They also eat caterpillars, spider, bugs, and wasps and insects. The male has more colors than the female. The colors are red, blue, yellow, green, and brown. There are 5 grams and makes a shirt, but they don't sink in Costa Rica. I'm Javier, and I will see you in the next video. Painted buttons are awesome.
Hello, I am Lola. I want to teach you about spider monkeys. It's not difficult to see how these primates got their name. Spider monkeys have long, thin arms and legs like a spider. They are called the trapezist artists of the jungle. Would you like to hear more? Today I'm gonna tell you about the spider monkeys. Spider monkey size is 45 centimeters and weight is 11 kilograms. Its color is black, brown, red, yellow, and white. Spider monkeys move by jumping to branch to branch. The spider monkeys eat fruits and nuts. They get their food up in trees. They also eat bugs out of each other's fur. Isn't that gross? Spider monkeys live in groups called troops. They sleep in high canopy in the trees. You can find spider monkeys in the rainforest. The moms have one baby at a time. The babies have pink faces and ears. The babies hold on their mom's tummies for 16 weeks, and then they ride on their back. Spider monkeys are adults at age. For males will live with their mothers forever. Females are more brave. They find new communities. I'm Lola. Next time you hear a monkey, look up. It might be a spider monkey. My name is Ernest, and I'm going to talk to you about the rainbow block. The bottom jaw is not connected to the top. It does not lay eggs. Light bends when it hits the scales, and which makes the rainbow boa have colors. I'm going to tell you about its habitat. It lives in humid forests. It lives on the floor or on the trees. Do you want to know about its life cycle? The mom is pregnant for 90 days. The mom gives live birth, not eggs. The babies are about 38 to 50 centimeters long. They eat small mammals and frogs. There are 20 to 50 babies born at once. Do you want to know about it eats? It eats small mammals like rodents and birds and lizards, and its failure its food by strangling, constricting, and swallowing it whole. How do you know if it's a rainbow boa or not? It's the 20.2 1.8 centimeters long in weight, 20 kilos max. It looks like a rainbow, but in a shape of a snake. Its habitat is it has scales and it moves by slithering. I think its rainbow boa might be one of the most prettiest snakes in all the world. Maybe one day you will be lucky enough to see a rainbow boa one day in the wild. My name is Ernest. Thanks for watching.
We are Luca and Dustin. This animal flies. This animal eats fruits. And sometimes eats a snake. The beak is the color of a rainbow. This animal is Kill-Bill Toucan. Dad, do you want to know how they look? They are 44 to 47 centimeters. They weigh to 500 and 300 grams. In Spanish is the name toucan piris. A toucan can live with 6 toucans. The toucan has 3 feathers. It moves by hopping between 3 branches. Now we are going to tell you about diet. Did you know that sometimes they eat baby snakes? So usually they eat fruits, eggs, a lot of fruits. The toucan gets his fruits flying, and there is predator or human, lizards, and large birds. And now we're going to tell you where they live. They live
tree. They can live 2 to 27 meters up in a tree.
They find a hole and it makes its nest.
They live all of Costa Rica.
Their habitat is northern rainforest and tropical forest northern.
And the mama can lay 3 to 4 eggs and then the eggs
They become chicks.
the baby toucan doesn't have the beak has long teeth that
And is not as colorful.
toucan can live about 15 or 20 years. It makes sounds like a crab. This was Dustin and Luca. We taught you about the kill-bill toucan. See you next time.
Hello, I'm Lila and today we are learning about the ocelot. The ocelot has stripes and yellow, black, white, brown hair and they are carnivores. Do you want to learn more? Do you know where the ocelot live? No? That's okay because today I'm gonna teach you. A ocelot lives in all Costa Rica. Cool now? And they sleep in the ground with a lot of plants. Do you know what they eat? No? It's okay because I'm gonna teach this too. They eat rabbits, young deer, rodents, iguanas, frogs, fish, monkeys, sloths, and birds. And do you know how it get their food? No? Because I'm gonna teach you. When they ready to eat, the wild cats don't chew their food. Instead, they use their teeth to tear meat into pieces and then swallow it whole. Do you want to learn about the life cycle? Yes? Okay. In a month, the ocelot kittens will be able to view their home and their fur will have become much denser and more colorful. They usually have one baby but sometimes up to 4 kittens. Do you know that they live 10 to 13 years in the wild and up to 20 years in captivity? Do you know that in Spanish is manigordo and the scientific name is Leopardus pardalis? Do you know that the size is medium and the ocelot ranges from 68 to 100 centimeters in length plus 26 to 45 centimeters in tall? Do you know that melons are bigger? I'm Lila and we just learned about the ocelot. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.
Hi, we're Joseph and Finn. We will teach you about the fer-de-lance snake. The fer-de-lance is the most dangerous reptile in Central and South America. Fer-de-lance does not back down. Do you want to learn more about this ferocious snake? The color of the snake is brown, black, white, gray, too. The fer-de-lance weighs 6 kilograms. The ferocious snake is nocturnal. It has scales too. The fer-de-lance slithers. The fer-de-lance lives alone. The fer-de-lance has a name in Spanish, terciopelo, English, fer-de-lance, scientific, Brothus aster. Have you ever wondered what it eats?
It eats small rodents and mammals.
It kills the prey with its venom.
It also eats frogs. Have you ever wondered where it lives?
It likes banana plantation.
It lives in the rainforests of Costa Rica. Do you know its life cycle?
It can have 80 babies at a time.
And it does not lay eggs.
Be careful in the forest because the fertilance is out to get you. We're Joseph and Finn. See you in the next video.